Oh, friggin' right, boy. I just had a dude off the internet here friggin' me, him, same. Some terrible for frig's sakes.
I bought a hat and a shirt. I did it on the sale because I'm a cheap bastard. But I left my hat at home. I was gonna have you sign it and I fucking left it at home.
For fuck's sakes. Hey, friggin' dirty old Jeep dick with a big ginger appliance showed up here off the internet. What do they think of next? But just give that a quick how you doing and a friggin' brake clean there. Cleaned her up, not too bad, not too bad. We'll probably actually probably give it a little bit of Earl just so that it's not so friggin' dusty looking, and then we'll yeah, bolt this sumbitch on. I'm gonna you know, I cleaned up behind the tappet cover awful good, so I'm gonna take the valve covers off and dump some Earls down the friggin' the stem holes there, and yeah, make sure that's copacetic before, you know, we do any type of a fire and drop or anything. But yeah, this will be a treat. The first time I've ever tried to put that back on. Oh, and I found my gooseget too. It was sitting right on top of this one. That's why I couldn't stomp it. So the intake gasket's bolted on, copacetic and different things. But yeah, we don't need this on there. But the Woodruff has, like, it's a horned one. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, please, Mother Lord, just cooperate a little bit. Holy suffering. You can see the under there. That's well, that's less than ideal. So we'll try to dig up a new one. If we don't got a new one, we'll just file the horns off this one and use that. But yeah, that's the projectile for today. But yeah, just made like an absolute friggin' mess here. We'll clean this situation up. Hurls what we figure we should hurls. And yeah, I just got the friggin' Banjus taped on there so we didn't fill the pump up with brake cleaner and shit. And then, you know, boom! You know that one, right? Yeah, got the bolts here too ready to rock. We'll just clean up the ends, give them a little black poop. And then I got the gooseget. You seen that yesterday's video. She's all copacetic. So we'll just bolt the AC pump, sumbitch, that guy right there. Bolt that guy on. These friggapini. And yeah, I'll get on those bolts so that by the time this and that, and then we'll get in the stovepipe and stovepipe. Well, I decided to take this line off and paint it to look like dicks back there, and then yeah, I might as well, wherever I put it, I might as well, oh great, wherever I put it, what have I done? What have I friggin' done here? Oh, Mother Lord, fuck's sakes. Oh, fuck me. Wow, this is good. Might as well blast that and paint it black too. Oh, I just dug out some clear cut. Eh? Holy, look at the focus. What's happening right now? This can't be my Somi. But yeah, and just got some primer on that bit. Decent friggapini. I'm a real mumpy. Squeak. Got yeah, I got the friggin' pump on there. Got the horn torqued down, 48 son of a bitches, and then these hold down guys there, friggin' tight as I felt comfortable getting them. Not too bad, but I figured I was gonna have to turn the engine slightly to, you know, because if the gears were straight, you could shove the thing straight on, but because they're on Hackerman, the key weights does not line up with the stovepipe at all. So I just got my stovepipe there and cranked it over a couple times, you know, not a couple times, but just ever so slightly, you know what I mean? And then I bolted her on there and kind of went back and forth like a little bit, you know, like I just didn't want to have neutral pressure on the joint there while I was torquing her, eh? But yeah, we got lines over here painted. It's weird, this one was red a little while ago, now it's black. Not sure what happened or how that happened, but I decided to clear coat that one. Not sure why. I just had some clear coat and thought, you know, it's got this brass asshole into it, and Man, this thing is just a movie star. For whatever reason, the camera will focus on this. Relentless. So, there we go. Trick me. But, yeah, the friggin', you know, the supply to the pump there, friggin', get the old clear coat on there. So, I guess I might as well, where's the pump? Where the fuck is the pump? Oh, it's right there. Clean that up a little bit, get her a little bit copacetic. I'm not gonna paint it or anything just because it's a fucking pump, right? But we'll friggin' clean it up a little bit, bolt her on there, get the son bitch copacetic, and then stop pipe. Oh yeah, and I got that piece of dicks on there too. Alternator, coolant and AC mount. I'm thinking it would be cool because this truck doesn't have AC. I mean, it might, you know, it's only going to be driven in the summer, so I might get all pissed off one day and get like a friggin' aftermarket friggin' stovepipe there, and that'd probably be the right spot for it. But if we had some sort of an air compressor, maybe we could rig up some sort of an air compressor off the belt drive guide, run right down there, and then when we put the air horns and all that shit, sunset, you know what I mean? Would be friggin' decipini. Oh my goodness, the old lady loves me so bad, she made me hot chocolates and a warmed up cheese bun. She did. I'm gonna get the pump cleaned up, put back on there. I mean, you know, fuck, I could have painted it. I probably should paint it, but you know, we're eventually gonna get rid of that anyway and go with the friggin' fast fuel fucking pump filter rate Xeon system. But just tore the friggin' antler off the other filter, put the new filter on. Friggin', we still got the friggin' the supply line to the pump friggin' drying with the clear coat onto it, and then we got all the other lines in to go on too, and then this side, well, we still got the power steering pump and the something or other there, can't remember. Oh, the bracket for the throttle, and then the starter, topic cover. We're friggin' good a friend, but if we do all that right now, there won't be nothing to do on the Sunday fun day tomorrow when we're having all types of the special guests on the internet. Well, that's probably good enough. We got the fuel lines on. I don't really want to take the bolts out for the two-pit cover to mount these R-skulls. There's one, I have a fuck of a time torquing that down to 18 foot-pounds with the pump in the way now, but yeah. Plug one's a big dumb goof, but it's just a return line, and eventually we're getting rid of that anyways, and we'll just friggin' have a Copasutic return line. So for now, not too bad, but we got all the fuel lines in, fuel pump, power steering, this, that, and the other thing. Of course, we got the other mount on, we did that earlier. I want to go see Dirty Hermie about the turbos. I got a few kicking around. Maybe we'll be into doing a deal on a trade ski. Hey, do a dirty deal on a trade ski, but we won't know until we daunt us. Either way, I'm going to get them to, you know, we'll get them to rebuild the friggin' the turbos, give it the old cigarette, see if we can't make a vitya of his little setup there. But for now, I quit. Yeah, we got quite a bit done today. Friggin' real boy, some terrible. Yeah, looks better with chromed out friggin' stovepipes, eh? Friggin' rights. But anyways, boys, hopefully that's where we were chooching. Beg my pardon. What I should do though tomorrow too is we'll take the valve covers off. Of course, we'll put the dip stips in. Okay, we'll put the fucking dip stips in before we start putting oil into it, and then you know, take the covers off, clean up around the openings, pour some oil down into the two-pit cover, and I mean, I guess wouldn't hurt to triple check to make sure of the working factor. Why would the furnace want to stay off for another friggin' 30 seconds? That'd be a terrible situation. Yeah, we're just about there, boys. Maybe another day or two and we'll be ready for a test fire. But yeah, and then when we get the covers off there, we'll maybe justicate the valves there. Who knows? But anyways, a lot of gritty gritties this month on Patreons, boys. You're not going to want to miss out on some of that nonsense too. But anyways, let me know what you think about the 83 little figure fudge. On that like button would be much appreciated. And if you missed them, a couple of bitches more in a week. But anyways, boys, big my pardon. We should cheer going another dick poem. Tomorrow.
Come with the watchers, bitchy.